Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on another portal, that is dollymm.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, as people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this newly launched website, so stay tuned with us, watch the video till then, because we are going to share unbiased review regarding this website, and that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store. As we all know that the stylish t-shirts are the must of every wardrobe. So dolly.com has brought a wide range of printed t-shirt. Along with this, they have also have a collection of bracelets and garden flags. Their collection shows that they basically sell sports themed tees, though they have a Halloween theme collection as well. The price range of their products is below $50. It seems to be a little on the higher side, as they do not even have a custom print option. So let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTPS secure website. The product they are selling are printed t-shirts, bracelet and garden flags. As far as their official page is concerned, they have not mentioned their official address on their web portal. No contact detail have been mentioned. The email address which they have mentioned is not matching the domain name, and it is a red sign. The shipping time needs 5 to 20 working days for standard shipping and 3 to 10 working days for VIP shipping. So you can enjoy free shipping over the order of $50. Payment method they are accepting are PayPal and Visa card and MasterCard. The customer can return the product, but they are supposed to bear the charges. As far as international orders are concerned, they are accepting international orders, but only for a few countries. Their claim of worldwide shipping is not true. The positive point of dollymm.com are the products are available in various color and sizes. The description is given regarding the product. The size chart has been provided and free shipping is available over the order of $50. The negative point of shopping from dollymm.com are many policies are not clearly mentioned. Only two payment methods are available. Prices are relatively high. Not even a single review can be seen. No contact number could be found. Free return is not possible. Like, if you want to return any product, you are supposed to pay the charges. Even cancellation and modification of order can cost you money if done after 24 hours. So the question is this legit website? So let's check out details in depth. It was created on 14th July 2021, only a month old website. The trust score of this website is only 1%. No physical address could be found. Only email address has been provided for contact details. Like, if you want to contact, you are supposed to contact via email. No contact number could be found. The life expectancy is very short. It is registered just for 1 year. So the research for this dollymm is not fruitful, as there is not even a single option from any customer. No review could be found. The customer reviews are of utmost importance for any new e-commerce portal, as good reviews are inevitable for building a reputation, and it also helps us to check out the legitimacy. But the absence of the portal on digital media makes it even harder to look customers' opinion about this website and the quality of their t-shirts. So we have discussed the relevant information with you, and it make it clear that trusting this website and this shopping portal may lead you to lose your money. So we recommend you all not to trust on this website, either to buy something from some legit store, and stay away from this website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do write in comment box regarding your experience.